probably make a catch good. Oh! Alright, y'all, so I'm be casting in this area. Huh?
You gotta drop the beat. So you gotta drop the beat. Perfect.
That nasty ass cast. I'm gonna be casting right here.
I got a fish. Yeah. Fishy.
I caught another mangrove snapper. I don't think this one's long enough though to like harvest. They have to at least be 10 inches long. Hey. I will hold them up for the camera, but I don't know. Don't squill in my hand, please. You know what? I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I'm gonna release him though because he's too small.
Oh shit, I got one. You got it, motherfucker. Got it, bitch. Order of being a man is grabbing a fish by the goddamn lung. Grab the motherfucking fish by the gill and then you unhook this motherfucker and throw him back in the water. What's up, bitch? Okay, you win. Chill out. We're gonna cut this fish competition. I'm gonna win. Lawrence is already up 2. That's 1.
Alright, there has to be different categories.
Biggest fish, most fish, smallest fish.
Another line? Wait, when you guys caught this guy earlier?
Oh, that was mine.
Caught one, baby. Could you stop, please? It's okay. Calm down. He's not big enough to keep either.
No. Probably no.
He's like 6 inches, maybe. 8 inches. So this guy's 8 inches. He's not that big. So maybe the other one I had was 10 inches. Hey, don't swallow the hook, man.
Let's go.
For real?
Yeah.
Donald, first.
Fuck's sake.
Man,
Smallest fish.
Fish on? It's a baby fish. No, I lost Shrimpy though. I gotta lay him down. Pick him up.
Tape.
You? Donald, do you have any pliers? A fish. Donald got a fish. Donald, I'm trying to get the hook out of his mouth.
oh, let's go.
What is it? What is it? What is that? Is that
That's
a sheep?
a big baby.
Is that a sheep? Let's go, baby! What is that? I don't think that's a sheep
It
head.
is a sheep head. I'm pretty sure it's a sheep head.
No, that is not a sheep head. That looks like a GT. I don't know what the fuck it is. That nigga's big as fuck.
Oh my god, bro! I told your ass. Nigga, hold this.
It might be on the thing right here.
Hold on. Let me see what it is.
That nigga's big as fuck. Like, you guys really don't know how. He might look small on camera, but this guy's big as hell in real life. It has to be on that thing somewhere for Florida fish. Unless it's just
That's not a black drum.
He's making a.
Mangrove.
He sounds like a whatchamacallit, a jack.
No, it's not a jack.
I know it's not, but he sounds like one. He's making that pig noise. That is fucking crazy.
Black sea bass.
He might be. What do you think he is?
It looks like it.
Let me see.
Let me see.
right here. No?
No, it's definitely not him.
I don't know what the fuck he is.
Oh, let me see. I got this guy.
Bro, he does look like look.
He might be a black sea bass.
See, look. Look at his tail. Look at it. See?
Yeah,
It's
he
a
might-
drum. Never
It's a-
mind. It has
it's
to
a
be
drum?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a drum.
Is he legal to eat?
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Look at black drum.
He has to be a black drum. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, he might be a black drum. I don't know.
Oh, it is a black drum.
It might.
That's
It just
That's a
doesn't
black
have the
drum.
stripes.
He
Yeah.
just doesn't have the stripes, so I guess it's black drum.
Cameraman Devontae out here. Bought us a nice 20-inch. Gonna cut this motherfucker down. This fucking thing is huge. Yeah.
nothing ran through. Catch and cut, motherfucker.
Whoa!
Oh,
there he is.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Don't look at this.
Yeah.
If your
viewer
kids-
discretion is advised? Question mark.
Field discretion is advised. God damn. I don't even want to see this shit. Where's the censoring? Ah! There's blood everywhere. Alright, now we can track fucking alligators. If alligator trump off your ass, man, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna call you one ass. God damn, look at these scales, guys.
What the fuck are you doing? Devontae, I'm about to fuck you up, bro.
Yeah, Vontae.
That's what he did to me. That's what he did to me.
Yeah, because Vontae pissed me off.
You little bitch.
So smack the shit out of Vontae's ass. Give me better. Vontae's gay.
Okay. Okay.
Girl, close your eyes.
Okay,
Let me get into.
We got black drum right here. You know, we got the,
Got the flour, got the eggs.
oh, we got the pan over here.
Pan over
We
here.
got some butter.
Electric oven. Electric oven.
Ish. You got to let it serenade in there. Rub it in. Get all the cracks and crevices. Let that get in there, you know what I'm saying? Get the sides.
We're gonna die.
We're gonna be fine. I mean, we're probably gonna have to clog the arteries, but it's okay. We're about to fry this shit.
Kill yourself.
I'm gonna get your titties out first.
Hold on, do me a favor, Devontae.
Charger.
Oh!
Bro, don't do that. Bro, I hate you, so don't slump me.
Get Donald. You know, you gotta put the salt, pepper. You know, we got turmeric and shit in there. You feel me? Some complete
Fucking
season.
roll.
Some onion shits.
That's onion
Some
powder.
garlic shits.
Oh shit, that's what I thought you were talking about.
As in,
We're trying it. Me and Devontae. Devontae said it's good. I don't know.
Yours,
Pretty good. That bit was some right.
Maybe undercooked.
This one may be undercooked.
Yeah, might, possibly.
I want some parasites in my body anyways. Let me eat it with some rice.
Sashimi?
I put some salt and pepper on that rice, boy.
Okay. I for that.
I do that for it.
Tastes like fried chicken.
That big ass fucking fish, that's why. Oh, oh.
That bitch smack.
It got a different texture. It's not like.
Since it's a heartier fish, that's why.
Okay. I'm fucking with it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh wait, y'all forgot that like one of the key parts of
We
that.
got hot sauce?
Oh, that's bro, that's the black thing I've heard of.
Hot sauce?
Oh, don't put no lime on my
Oh,
foot,
you
bro.
got, yeah, you
No.
got. You ain't gonna put lime on it? Not even a piece?
Piece of lime?
You ain't.
Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper.
Body.
She lemon pepper. The lemon pepper.
Shit ton of lemon. Alright, y'all. I don't know when the camera gonna die, but she gonna die soon. You know what I thought I was doing?
Catch and eat
Parasites.
successful.
But it's actually bones.
Oh, yeah, I didn't play
Yeah.
it that good. It was hard to play that fish.
Bones and scales. Other than that, the fish is amazing.
Hey, could you please get your guests some beverages, ma'am?
Hey,
Some
look,
water.
what is that right there? What's that? We only got water.
Yeah, exactly. I need some water. Fuck.
Unless you want some hazelnut creamer.
I want some fucking water.
Are you gonna have some, William, or no? Wow, you're rude, Pete.
Thank you.